In Algebra 2, Section 4.2, we're dealing with solving quadratic equations by graphing. So basically, we're doing the same thing we did last section, but this time we're looking for the solution. And the solution for a quadratic equation is basically the x-intercept. So when y is 0, what is x? Okay? It's not as easy as finding a line because we're dealing with both x and x squared. So when we're graphing, if we were just to graph it, we find the x-intercepts, then that should be our solution. That means wherever it hits the x, I plug it in, it should give me a 0. My first step, just like last section, is to find the axis of symmetry. Woo, sorry. Which is negative b over 2a. And our a equals 1, b equals 6, c equals 8. So we have negative 6 over 2 times 1, which is negative 3. Okay? Our next step is then to, what am I doing? Oh, yes, find the vertex, because the vertex will help us find x's in order to plug into our table. So our vertex here is, this number negative 3, comma, and then once I plug in negative 3, I'll find the y, okay? So negative 3 into the equation. So we have negative 3 squared plus 6 times negative 3 plus 8. Negative 3 squared is 9 minus 18 plus 8. 9 minus 18 is the same thing as negative 9 plus 8, which would give us negative 1. So our vertex is negative 3, negative 1. A terrible point. There it is. Ha. Okay. So our next step is to then use a table. Our equation is x squared plus 6x plus 8, and our x's and y's. So I'm going to use my x's negative 4, negative 5, and then my x's negative 2, negative 1. And now plug it in. Negative 4 squared plus 6 times negative 4 plus 8. Is 16 minus 24 plus 8. I don't feel like thinking, so I'm going to use my calculator. 16 minus 24 plus 8, 0. So we have negative 5 squared plus 6 times negative 5 plus 8 is 25 minus 30 plus 8. Is positive 3. Then we have negative 2 squared plus 6 times negative 2 plus 8 is 4 minus 12 plus 8, which would give us 0. Negative 1 squared plus 6 times negative 1 plus 8 is 1 minus 6. 3. So then we have negative 4 and 0. Negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0. We have negative 5 and 3, negative 2, 0, negative 1, 3. If you haven't noticed already, the axis of symmetry copies the sides. So basically, I could just figure out what these 2 points are, -4, -5, and then because this is 1 away, then I know on the opposite side, it's 1 away. This is 2 away, so on the opposite side, this is 2 away, and that's what makes the axis of symmetry useful. So you can use that and only find 2 points on the chart and copy it, and I wouldn't mind. If that didn't make any sense, just continue to do the table. Whichever one works for you better. I don't want to confuse you anymore. But in this section, we're not just graphing, we're looking for the solution. So the ones that hit are right here. So basically, my x's, my solutions for this is -4 and -2. Okay, that means if I plug in -4, -2 for x's, I should end up getting zeros. And those are my solutions. So the same thing as we did last section. This one, it just so happens we're looking for where it crosses. Sometimes it'll cross in between. So let's say it didn't give me exactly this number. It was between, I'll just say it's between, like if it was here, if the dot was here, then I'd say the answer is between 1 and 2. That's all you need to write. Okay? So go ahead and write this down. Pause it, write it down. Do page 233, number 7, 233, number 7, and I will see you in class.